Hello viewers. Hello viewers. Today I am going to tell you three top Python library for data science. Turn Python into a scientific data analysis and modeling tool with these libraries. Python's many attractions, such as efficiency, code readability, and speed, have made it the go-to programming language for data science enthusiasts. Because of its extensive usage, Python has a huge number of libraries that make it easier for data scientists to complete complicated tasks without any coding lessons. So the Python is very helpful for the data science, and it helps to do the complex calculation by using these library. Here are the top 3 Python library for the data science. Check them out if you want to kick-start your career in the field. First is a NumPy. NumPy, short for numerical Python, is one of the top library equipped with the useful resources to help data scientists turn Python into a powerful scientific analysis and modeling tool. The popular open source library is available under the BSD license. It is a foundational Python library for performing tasks in scientific computing. NumPy is a part of a bigger Python-based ecosystem of the open source tool called scipy. So what is a NumPy? NumPy is a part of the scipy library. The library empowers Python with a substantial data structure for effortless performing multi-dimensional array matrix calculation. Besides, it is used in solving the linear algebra equation and other mathematical calculations. NumPy is also used as a versatile multi-dimensional container for different types of generic data. Furthermore, it integrates flawlessly with other programming languages like C, C++, and Fortran. अब ये C++ Fortran के साथ भी काम करते हैं. Versatility of the NumPy library allow it to easily and swiftly coalesce with an extensive range of databases and tools. For example, let's see how NumPy can be used for multiplying two matrices. Let us start by importing the library. We will be using the Jupyter notebook for these examples. Import NumPy as NP. Next, let us the I function to generate the identity matrix with the stipulated dimensions. Matrix 1 np.I3 and matrix 1. So it will create the identity matrix. That means the diagonal information is 1 in matrix. Let's generate another 3 into 3 matrix. We will use the arrange function to arrange numbers. Note that the first parameter in the function is the initial number to be listed, and last number is not included in the generated results. Also, the reshape function is applied to modify the dimension of the originally generated matrix into the desired dimension. For the matrix to be multipliable, they should be of the same dimension. So, if you want to multiply two matrices, they should be of same dimension and same number of values. So, matrix 2 is NP arrange 1 to 10. Reshape 3 into 3. That means the value is between 1 to 10 and the dimension is 3 by 3. Matlab 3 row and 3 column. So this matrix will be created by using these functions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Value will be you will be getting in the matrix. Let's use both the function to multiply the two matrix. Matrix multiply equals to np dot matrix 1 matrix 2. When you say dot, then it will give you a dot with your calculated matrix, multiply matrix in the NumPy. Great, this is the output, and how it will come, just see in the Python. You have a program which I teach you in this, so you run it and find out the multiplied matrix in the pycharm. Here import NumPy as NP, generate 3 by 3 identity matrix by using np.I. I will create the identity matrix. Then print it, and then next you create the array matrix with a value using arrange function and reshape function and 3 by 3 matrix, and then multiply this matrix and get the output of this matrix by running this program. So just run it and find out. So this is the output of the program. First matrix is the identity matrix in which the diagonal values are 1, and second matrix is the matrix of 3 by 3 also. First matrix is also 3 by 3, and then multiplied matrix value is with the dot command. So this is the third matrix, which is multiplied matrix with the dot command. This is the dot command which giving the dot with the number after multiplication. So this is the NumPy library which you are getting. Now second is the Panda. Second is the Panda which you have to learn. So go to Panda and learn this. This is the Panda library. We managed to multiply matrix without using vanilla Python. Here is the entire code which I already run. The Panda is another great library that can be enhance your Python skill for data science. Just like a NumPy, it belongs to the family of scipy open source software and is available under the BSD free software license. Pandas offers versatile and powerful tools for managing munging data structure and performing extensive data analysis. So it is meant for the data structure and performing the data analysis. The library works well with the incomplete and structured unaudited real-world data and comes with the tools for shaping, aggregating, analyzing, and visualizing data. There are three types of data structure in the library: series, single dimension homogeneous array; data frame, 2 dimension with a heterogeneously typed column; and panel. This is a 3-dimensional size mutable array. For example, let's see how the Panda Python library can be used for performing some descriptive scientific statistical calculation, and it's abbreviated as PD. Let's start for importing the library. Import Panda as a PD. That creates a dictionary of series. Name PD series, different name of the scientists, of the programmers who have a different year experience and have a skill in different languages. So you can create a series and data frame by using the program PD data frame D. This is for data series which we created, and now run this and get the frame and data series by using the pycharm. Here I have written this program, whole program, in which I have created a D series by using name PD series and the name, and then year experience, then programming languages, and then create the frame df equals to PD data frame D and print the df, so it will give you a data frame by running this program in your pycharm. So this is giving the data frame by creating the series of the given data. So this is the name and the year of experience and the programming language. Now come to the third library, which is a Matplotlib library, which we use to create the graphs. This is a Matplotlib library, is also part of it. It is also a part of the scipy core package and offered under the BSD license. It is a popular Python scientific library used for producing simple, powerful visualization. You can use the Python framework for data science for generating creative graph, chart, histogram, and other shapes and figures without worrying about writing many lines of the code. For example, let's see how the Matplotlib library can be used to create a simple bar chart. For that, you have to import the pyplot library as a plit, and then define the x-axis and y-axis, and then write plit dot bar x comma y. It will show you a bar chart like this in Matplotlib bar chart png. And then here is entire code for this program which I have written yesterday, day before yesterday to you, and show you how to plot the bar chart and wrapping up and scatter chart. The Python programming language has always done a good job in a data crunching and presentation, but less so for complicated scientific data analysis and modeling. The top Python framework for data science helps fill this gap, allowing you to carry out a complex mathematical, computational, and create a sophisticated model that makes sense of your data. Which another Python data mining libraries do you know? What's your experience with them? Please share your comment below in my video comment section, and share and subscribe if you like. And now I am showing you last MATLAB library output in pycharm, so you can come to know how it will work again. And although I show you in a day before yesterday this program, but I am showing it again to you how to do. So run it and find out how it will work. Invalid. So run it and find out. This will give you a scattered chart which show the coronavirus updation 1 lakh something, and the date is from 1st December to 22 December. How you will find, and this is the bar chart which you are getting through the data. How you find that which data I am using? Just see in a project database file, and this is the database file which I am using, in which you are getting the data from 1st December to last December till 24 December. So it will tell you the total confirmed case of the coronavirus, and you run this and find out the same chart which you are getting, scattered chart and bar chart. For that you have written a program. Import Matplotlib pyplot as PLT. Import Pandas, data Pandas, read CSV, and for that you required a CSV form of database, and then print the data by using plit scatter. Our first graph is a scattered graph, data, date, data, confirm. The two data are there, data, date, and data, confirm. Then plit show. So it will show the scatter graph, and next you will take a data from the database and create the bar chart. So this is very simple, and complicated animated data I will tell you later. So these three libraries are very essential for scientific calculation. If you like it, then please share and subscribe. Thank you viewers. Today it is all. Please subscribe and share it. Thank you.